2020, she made it open and public to people that she wasn't pregnant. 2021, there were rumors about Selena Gomez once again, seen with a baby bump. 2022, a similar incident popped up, and here we are again, speculating on social media once again about Selena Gomez once again getting pregnant. Is this really the situation, or it could be as a result of her, disease? She says lupus. Well, we'll find out in this interesting report we do have for you. But of course, this is the Legends Open Axe News. Let's keep the conversation going. You know where to go for more news. Please do to keep subscribing to our platform. Now, in the latest episode about Selena Gomez, a picture of her has been circulating on social media, and it captures her in the very bloated stage. Looks like everything about her is blown out of proportion. Like she's gained weight, her belly is up, everything is just showing absolutely big. Now, when this picture surfaced on social media, the first the question people raised was, could she be pregnant? Now, guys, hold on. In 2020, there were similar, allegations about Selena Gomez getting pregnant. Now, she came live to address the issue. Similar thing also came up in 2021. Now, officially also, she did claim that she was battling something called lupus. Now, we'll find exactly what this medical condition Selena Gomez really has been battling with. But first, let's just announce that Selena Gomez really has not been so well for some time now. That's according to the latest medical checks we also have had in the previous episode. She once came back, speaking about that condition and how her skincare is also, basically, because now she's signed to a skincare product, because earlier she had come that she had a medical infection or medical problem. Now, let's go back to the questions I was about to ask. Now, if indeed Selena Gomez is pregnant, guys, who really is she linked with this pregnancy with? Who? Is it Zayn Malik? Obviously no. Is it Justin Bieber? Obviously not, because he is married with Hailey Bieber. Is it Andrea Lovanetti? Well, obviously not, because they've not been, as cozy as before. Unfortunately, they have not even officially come out to claim that they're doing or having something to do. Who really, if indeed Selena Gomez is pregnant, as you did see on your screens, as you do see on your screens, what really is the situation over here? Now, this also could be as a result of lupus. Now, many of you do not know exactly what this lupus condition is, so let's do a bit of education. In as much as we like to talk about exactly what our favorite personalities have been doing, what they have been caught doing, I think it's very imperative also that we speak to the relevant issue, and especially educate people who may or may not be known, or probably just be oblivious about the fact. So let's just do a bit of education. Now, this is what you all have to know about the condition Selena Gomez is battling with. Now, lupus is actually an inflammatory disease caused when an inhuman system attacks its own tissues. Now, it can also affect the joint, skin, kidney, blood cells, brain, heart, and lungs. Now, the symptoms also could vary, but can also include fatigue, joint pain, rash. Now, remember also that Selena Gomez came out saying that she had rashes on her face. It also was as a result of her lupus condition. Now, let's move on. This can also periodically get worse, like she's going to get flare-ups, and basically periodically also get worse in all circumstances. Now, interestingly, there's no actually a cure for lupus infection. You get it? So no cause, I should say. Basically, no medical treatment for lupus. Now, this also begins with a lifestyle modification, including sun protection, and it also involves diet over here. So everything about lupus is something that has to do with human inflammatory infections or disease, and this is the situation or the condition Selena Gomez seemed to be battling with. And unfortunately, there is no medical condition about that. And so yes, at some point you see that she's lost weight. Sometimes also you see that Sel has gained so much weight, or honestly, the last time I did see Selena Gomez's photo, I was like, gosh, what really is happening to this lady? Is she really, checking her diet properly, or she also is just getting into out of control with her, her eating habits? But obviously, we have made it clear, and she also has come out to say that it is not about her pregnancy that really seemed to be bothering her so much, but at the for the fact that people do not appreciate the condition or the medical condition, her lupus, condition that she is battling with. and people speculating on social media that, she is indeed pregnant. Now, let's go to some interesting signs. So maybe you have, this condition, or of lupus, but you may not know. So some of you out there talking about Selena Gomez saying that, she's pregnant and all of that. Maybe you also have this, signs and symptoms. So let's go. Now, the signs and symptoms of lupus that you can also experience or, develop also depend on which body system are affected, by the disease. Now, the most common signs and symptoms include fatigue, like I did say, fever, joint pain, stiffness, and swelling butterfly-shaped rash on the face, just as Selena Gomez, has been battling with. Now, it's sad that, even as of 2020 all through to 2023, people will still accuse Sel of being pregnant. Like I did say, we have not even seen Selena Gomez's boyfriend. There's not also been any sight of Sel getting into any cozy relationship so far. The one that got social media talking was her alleged affair with Rema, which of course we all did say that it didn't happen. Like it was just for the music business. But guys, let's just broaden this conversation. This think about self getting pregnant is also linked to body shaming. Like what you're all doing out there is body shaming. This is also, part of body shaming. Knowing very well that she has a medical condition, and people are, saying unnecessary comments about, her body, saying she's chubby now, she's looking a bit very unkept and all of that. This is also body shaming. So it is not just about the medical condition we're talking about here, but for the fact that people have become very oblivious of the fact that Sel has a medical condition and keep on talking about her body. It is also body shaming. Now, she has come out some time back. I think that was 2021, during the heated conversation between herself and Hailey Bieber. During this whole body shaming incident, she came out saying that for her, she feels very sad that people come after her because they do not know what she has been battling with. And of course, like I did say, she has a medical condition, of lupus. So yes, you may see the various headlines, tabloids report that yes, Selena Gomez is pregnant, so and so is pregnant, like you do see on your screens. If you're not careful, you don't study the picture very well, you might think that she's just trying to hide her baby bump from her fans. But guys, no, she is not pregnant, and she obviously is going through so much. So when you stop to say a prayer, maybe you also would have to consider Selena Gomez in your prayers, because as I did say, there's no cure, no medical prescription for lupus. And just as you all are throwing tantrums or maybe going so hard at Selena Gomez, some say she's not checking her diet seriously, you also would have to go do your check and see what you also have. Maybe you may have signs and symptoms, but just because you feel it's something normal, a condition, you also are oblivious about the fact. So that's Selena Gomez on your screens over there. But I would not be shocked anytime soon to also hearing the fact that she's pregnant, because hey, it's bound to happen. As a lady, as a woman, time really does not wait for you so much. So when you get into a relationship and your partner feels it's important that you guys get a relationship, well, then rumors about pregnancy also pops up. So it's no news, but we'll keep an eye on Selena Gomez as and when we do have information. Thanks for watching.